Hello, Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my new tutorial of WinCC Unified. In this video I am going to show you how you create a graphic animations of two image to combine it to one image in WinCC Unified. So first of all you will see my environment is now open and now I'm going to open my graphics and see what my graphics here. So I'm going to open an automation here. So which is my favorite is the motor. Now I'm going to open a text and graphic library. I'm going to make it a graphic, called it a motor, and it is now loaded, and now I'm going to use that motor. I think the motor best motor is that one, and the other one is I think not that one, that one. I'm going to name it a 1 and going to change it to 0. Now I'm going to screen here like that and selecting text and graphics here. You'll see that motor here. I'm going to paste that the motor here like that, and when I'm going to see that the property, now I'm going to give it a tag. So you will see that the graphics resources list motors, and I'm going to give it a name also, a manual button, and now my graphics is being created. I think now I'm going to simulate my project and see what is happen. Now my project is being loaded and I am waiting here to load it. Now my project is being loaded, and now I am going to check that my project is running or not. My simulation is running or not. My simulation is now on running, so now I am going to open my web page to see that the graphics is working or not. See that here, you will see that's how you will create animated graphics in WinCC Unified. So that's how you create a graphics. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel, like my video, and click the bell icons, and in the description there is also my email address and a WhatsApp number. So if you have any query, you can WhatsApp me, and in the descriptions also have other video tutorials links like Industop, SCADA, Ignition, SCADA, and PLC programming, etc. So if you want to learn, watch my video. So thank you for watch my video again.